What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video, I'm going to talk about a certain website that I find useful when I was starting to learn music theory. I'm a self-taught music composer producer, so everything that I learn is basically from the website, from YouTube videos, from Udemy and stuff like that. And when I was learning, I didn't know whether I was learning it correctly. I need somebody to check whether the notation that I wrote is correct, whether the counterpoint that I wrote is correct. Since I was learning on my own, there was nobody to correct me and there's nobody for me to check with, right? So I found this website at the time and it has helped me improve my sight reading, my ear training, my knowledge about music theory, especially for Western classical music. And this is one particular website where I learn all those information. So reading music, if you go to reading music, you can see all these beats and measure, time signature, everything you need to know about music theory is here and it's very organized. And you can see intervals, what are the intervals, name of the intervals, interval quality, and so on. Knowing this has helped me, especially when it comes to orchestration, when it comes to writing notation to give to musicians, to the violinists, guitarists to play the note. This website helped me master that. And I was religiously doing all these exercises and reading about it every single day until I'm able to understand everything that I need to know about music theory. But today I'm not going to talk about all the theory or knowledge about music. Today I'm going to talk about this particular tab, which is the exercise tab. Okay, if you go to exercise tab, you have all these exercises that you can do, which can definitely help improve your musical skill, right? So one thing that I like to do is I like to go to this reading, right? So in the beginning, I was not able to identify the notes on the staffs. So I'll go to clef reading and I choose the clefs that I want, whether it's treble clef or bass clef. I can select here whether I want spaces or lines or ledger lines and stuff like that. And I will just keep exercising here. So if I see the first note here, second note, first note, the fourth note. So I was just keep on doing this exercise on regular basis and my sight reading have improved, right? So, and then I move to the next one, which is clef reading with key signature. And I choose both the clef, the treble clef and bass clef. I choose spaces, lines and ledger lines to make it even more advanced. Always remember to change this to visual keyboard instead of the note or visual keyboard. Because if you choose note, it's going to show you the note. Okay, it is useful, but I don't think it's really useful that much compared to using the visual keyboard full size, because now you get this keyboard where you can actually choose the right note, right? So now you see these notes, you know which note it is. So when you practicing entering those notes, even though you're using the mouse, it's definitely going to help you get better. All right, this is what I used to do. So this is what I used to do to improve my sight reading. And then I realized that we can actually connect the MIDI controller to the computer and use that MIDI controller to enter the note, right? A, F sharp. Okay, I entered the wrong G. It's supposed to be the one octave below. The G note that you entered is incorrect, even though the note G is correct, but you entered in the wrong octave, right? And you can see that it shows X, which means that this is incorrect, and your marks, you can see it here, right? This visual guide helps me improve my ability to read the notes and also practice sight reading. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and this is another exercise that I really like, and that is the grand staff reading. Okay, you can choose 3 notes, 4 notes or 5 notes depending on the complexity. Alright, so once you chose your preferred complexity, you can go hit OK. It's going to give you this staff with the bass clef and the treble clef. Alright, the cool thing about this is you don't have to enter the notes together. You don't have to enter it simultaneously. So when you see this note, lower note is E, right? So you can press the E in the lower octave, and then you can press the note B in the higher octave using your keyboard, and you don't have to do it simultaneously. However, if you want to do it simultaneously, you can do that as well, like that. Continue that, right? If let's say you have pressed the wrong note, right? You can start again and it's going to give you the same one and you can enter those notes, right away. Okay, so that's grand start reading. And then we have rhythmic reading. So rhythmic reading, you can choose any of this time signature, and then if you hit OK, it's going to give you a tempo, and then from the tempo you can either use your computer or MIDI keyboard if available to enter the notes. I'm going to stop this for a while because the noise is kind of distracting me. So you can actually use your keyboard to enter rhythm of that note that you see earlier. Okay, so this 4 is very good exercises that you can actually do on a regular basis, because sometimes I'll be busy working on a couple of projects and I forget to read notes. Then maybe after a month I'm gonna go back and read some notation, but I kind of forgot, right? I don't know about you guys, but it is the case for me. So by having this website, every time I go to theoria.com, even if I'm not in my studio or doing any music related things, I can still do these exercises elsewhere, right? All I have to do is just have an access to internet, go to theoria.com and do all the exercises there. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I just want to share this to you guys because I find that this is a very useful website, and you can also donate to them. They are actually doing this for free, but if you want to donate to them, that would be great as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find some value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.